Importing jobs. Before you can plan your jobs, you need to import them into My Transport Planner. To import jobs, select Import from the centre of the Jobs Management screen. You can import your own file of jobs into My Transport Planner from your own job planning system, which should be in an Excel file. Or you can download the My Transport Planner template, which has detailed instructions including each field in the import. We suggest that you download this file and that you familiarise yourself with the instructions in the import template, even if you use your own file, so that you know what information is required in each field. To download our template, select Download Template at the bottom right of the Jobs import screen and the file will be sent to your Downloads folder. Once your Jobs file is ready, select Browse from the Jobs import screen and choose your import file. You will receive a message to tell you that your upload has been successful. Press Next. If you are importing a file for the first time or have made changes to a previously imported file, then you need to map the fields so that My Transport Planner understands the contents of the columns in your import file. This is because you may call items different names to those used in My Transport Planner. For example, you might have a field called Work Number, whereas in My Transport Planner the field is called Job Number. Therefore, you need to map these fields to each other so that My Transport Planner understands the contents of your import file. To help you do this, My Transport Planner displays the fields in your import file in the left-hand column, and in the right-hand column you can select the appropriate match from a drop-down list adjacent to each field. So, for example, where Work Number is imported in your import file, the correct match is Job Number within My Transport Planner. Similarly, Customers in this import file is to be matched to the Company Name field. Continue to map the fields until you have matched them all. When you have mapped all the fields, you should delete any empty, unused, unnecessary or unmatched fields by using the bin icon in the left-hand column, before selecting Next at the top of the screen to complete the field mapping. If you do delete any fields, please make sure that you delete them from your import spreadsheet for future use, or the automatic mapping will not remember your settings and you will have to remap every time you import. Once you have completed mapping and selected Next, My Transport Planner will geocode each job, meaning it will assign a longitude and latitude so that an exact location can be determined. Once the geocoding is complete, you can view the jobs that you have imported. You may edit or delete any jobs at this stage by selecting the three dots to the right of each item and selecting Edit. Here you have access to each field and can change them as necessary. When you have finished editing, select Save to return to the jobs import list. Once your jobs are imported correctly, select Finish. My Transport Planner will check the jobs. If there are any errors in your import, you will be guided to that error by clicking on Show Me Where. In this instance, we can see there is an incomplete postcode for this job. You can either delete this job by selecting the three dots to the right of it and clicking Delete to re-enter it later, or if you know the missing information, you can enter it at this point. Then continue the process by selecting Finish. You'll see a message at the top of the screen telling you that the import has been successful, and you will be presented with a list of your imported jobs. Initially, this page just shows the first 10 jobs. However, you can change this by editing the number of jobs per page at the bottom of the screen. This Jobs Management screen can be searched by typing simple information into the search bar at the top left of the screen. As you type, the selection will be reduced until the item that you are looking for is displayed. Alternatively, clicking the down arrow next to Search Filters will provide a range of filters so that you can search by more criteria. You can also delete all jobs on this screen. You can delete obsolete jobs, as this page shows previously imported jobs if they've not yet been planned. Or you can import more jobs into My Transport Planner. When you are happy that you have imported all your jobs correctly and are ready to allocate them to your resources, then press Continue and you'll be returned to the route planning screen. You are now ready to plan your jobs.